Meet Tech Tantra, a dedicated team tackling the challenges faced by institutions across the country. With inspections being manual, time consuming, and often inconsistent, there is an urgent need for a smarter, more efficient solution.
At Smart India Hackathon, Team Tech Tantra SIH 1730 is set to revolutionize the inspection process. We are creating a data driven AI system that ensures accuracy, consistency, and efficiency.
By integrating cutting edge AI technologies, our system automates facility inspections, analyzes reports in real time, and generates actionable insights to help institutions improve and stay compliant.
Tech Tantra AI-driven inspection system empowers institutions to make data-backed decisions, providing timely recommendations for continuous improvement.
Tech Tantra, transforming institutional inspections with AI, empowering the future one inspection at a time.
We have made a AI-driven inspection system in which it consists of index.html, script.js, style.cs, and we open command prompt for opening the website, and we type node server.js for opening the server, and it opens like this. It consists of following configurations: dashboard, inspections, reports, and settings. And when we enter any report share, for example others, Kumar, for example age 60 or anything else, and type generate report, it say reports generated successfully, details others Kumar, and when we type any inputs in the terminal, Mr. Smith, MSc, PhD, any data, it will generate the data in useful combined form like this. Leo's average is 69.33, and it third interface looks like this: institutional inspection system. When we type infrastructure condition 45, teachers, and extra, and when run inspect, it says needs improvement 1.05 ideal needs improvement. It generated ideal conditions of schools and colleges. It is a third interface of it. If we exceeds the limit of it, for example 45,000, and run inspect, it shows error, please provide valid data, because of unreasonable form. We can put any data. If the data is out of source, then it will show please provide valid data. Its fourth interface is, it is created by others, Saloni, Bablu, Tanisha, Aditya, and Pravancha, and it shows the interface like inspection data. For example, we put Mr. Smith's qualifications 20, degree BTech, Jones average is 75, 89, 56, and if we generate insights, the insights will generated below the page. For example, if we for example Mr. Smith age 70, overall student average marks 73.33, it overall generates the results. If we also put the remaining data, for example 89 MTech, Siraj average marks, it generates insight, thus satisfying all the conditions that were there. It also have NLP analysis. For example, when you type